Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Sport 30 TFSI with the 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular model is finished in the stunning arrow grey pearlescent paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the 30 TFSI, you get a 1 litre turbo petrol engine producing 114 brake horsepower with 200 Nm of torque. This vehicle also comes with rear parking sensors to make parking all the easier. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these distinctive 16-inch 10-spoke turbine design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork. To open the boot lid, there's a button under the Audi rings on the boot lid itself and you just lift it up with ease. This reveals plenty of storage space for everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. The boot floor can be lifted up, tucked out and lowered down, and the rear seats folded down for more space. In the interior we have the full cloth seats for maximum luxury and comfort, with Isofix points on both outer rear seats so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and manual air conditioning. Both front seats are sport seats with the standard A1 geometric pattern, and these are manually adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your wants and needs using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right your volume and voice controls such as mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply your Bluetooth or favourited items. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And with the manual air conditioning you are in full control of the direction, speed and temperature of the air, as well as the air conditioning and recirculation settings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video on the approved used Audi A1 Sportback Sport 30 TFSI 6-speed, available at Stafford Audi now in arrow grey pearlescent paintwork. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team or simply come on down to the dealership and take a look for yourself.